How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. If any day and if you are a CapCut user and you would like to add the audio spectrum in CapCut but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the CapCut application on your mobile device. For that, you can search CapCut on your mobile device, or you can manually find the CapCut application by scrolling left or right. After you find the very CapCut application on your mobile device, you have to tap on it. And after you tap on the CapCut application, CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After CapCut is launched on your very mobile device, you have to wait for a while. After that, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to choose any other video that you would like to edit. So after you tap on the very video that you would like to edit, you have to wait for a while until it gets loaded on your very mobile device. Now after it gets loaded, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the very option on tapping on the videos, and after you tap on the videos, now you have to search whether there is the option of the sticker or not. Otherwise, you can go back like this once again, and you have to search the option of the stickers on your very CapCut application and tap on that. After you find the very option of the very sticker out there, you have to search in the sticker that is audio, and you have to search it. Now after you search the option of the audio, you can see the interface like this. You have to tap on the first option, that is the audio spectrum. Now you can keep this audio spectrum the way you like, and like this you can keep it, and you can just go back once again, keeping the very right icon, and you can set it to the while until you would like to set the very audio spectrum in your very video. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.